Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to configure flat rate scheme in Logic ERP. To begin with, navigate to Menu. Under Configuration, click to open the Setup Scheme campaign window. First, click on Refresh. Then, enter the scheme campaign name and define the time period during which the scheme will remain active. Once done, save the changes. Next, move to the Group Options tab. Select the scheme campaign. Define the group name. Press the space key in the scheme group type column. From the drop-down list, select the desired option on which the scheme will be applied. Once done, save the changes and move to Scheme Groups tab. Here, you will see the scheme group name displaying the scheme you just created. Next, select the item group. Click on the Save button and the selected group will now appear in the grid. Moving on to the next step in the scheme setup, you now need to configure the slab details for the scheme campaign. To do this, go to the Configuration section from the menu and click to open the Scheme Campaign Slab Details window. Firstly, select the scheme campaign. After that, define the minimum quantity or value as 1, and then select the scheme basis as quantity. Next, define scheme slab details in the grid. Define the slab value as 1 and the flat rate as 500 in the new rate column. For example, regardless of the item's actual rate, the customer will be billed according to the rate specified in the new rate field. Once all the details are entered correctly, save the changes. Now, let's see how the scheme works in the sale bill. Open the Sale Bill touchscreen window and initiate a new transaction. Scan or enter items belonging to the item category on which the scheme has been configured. As you can observe, the actual rate of this article is $12.99. While saving the voucher, window appears displaying the available schemes. Tick the flat rate scheme to apply it in the bill. Once applied, the item's actual value of 1,299 rupees is reduced to the flat rate of 500 rupees, and the difference between the actual value and the flat rate is shown in the discount column.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.